Hello there, this is Sandhya and welcome to Dynamic Living. Yes and no, more no than yes. Allow me to explain. If you want to ask me the science behind it, I won't take names, but the idea that if you say I want a cycle, and I keep focusing on cycle, or I want my series A, and I keep focusing on my series A, and it will you will attract it towards you, or you will manifest that series A somehow. I will just say that's a lot of time you'll be thinking about your series A when you could be working instead. So and will that create some sort of magnetic attraction and bring VCs helplessly pulling towards you? Sadly not. I don't know why of all the laws of the universe we have chosen magnetism for some reason, and we've given it such a bad name. What's the other one? Quantum physics, for which even physicists know so little. Somehow all the new age teachers seem to know so much about quantum physics. I've seen panel discussions where there have been some new age teachers and physicists, and they're like, really? I mean, we're physicists and we didn't know about this. I mean, the question I always ask is, and people will say things like the science of, to give it more credibility, right? But the fact is that for something to be scientific, one of the tests of scientific truths is that it has to apply in every single case. If you do it, the magnetism should work. If I do it, the magnetism should work. And in the absence, there should also be negation, which is that in the absence of it, it should not work at all, which also does not happen suddenly. Some people, my dad knew somebody and that's how I got my series A. Now I didn't use manifestation. How did I get it? So you see, these are the standards to which science is held. That said, our brain is capable of a lot of things, which is that we take in a lot of information. I mean, there's a lot of data hitting our brains that we are simply tuning out. Okay, we are not even, I mean, our brain is sort of developed, we have selective blindness, selective deafness to information around us. And depending on what we choose, we need to tell our brain, the inside of our brain is a little blind and a little dumb as well, meaning that it has to give meaning to things. It will give meaning to the things that you tell it has to give meaning to. So if you now start saying to it, hey, it's like saying that, one day you wake up from your BA and you suddenly say, I think I'm going to do an MBA. I feel this will take me somewhere further. The minute you tell your brain that, listen, MBA is important, it's going to spot signs for an MBA everywhere. Suddenly you'll discover, my cousin had done an MBA from a really good college, I can ask him. I see ads for MBA. I get, of course, Google though will know immediately because you've done the search. That's not manifestation or anything, that's just Google's algorithm. So let's already discount that part from the science and the magic of it. But it's your brain now knows what to give importance to. And the more you give it time every day, saying that, listen, and I do this with a lot of my clients, I'm like, what, if something is important to you, wake up in the morning and just say those words out in your head. Say that, look, becoming fit is important to me. And the other thing is, the brain doesn't really know how to not do things. If you say, I'm not going to smoke today, the brain will be like, okay, I want to smoke now, what am I supposed to do? It has no idea. You need to tell it what to do, all right? So when you tell your brain to identify certain things as important, you've woken up in the morning and say, listen, today I'm going to bring the best of myself to my team, or today we're going to close this contract, or whatever it is. Your brain is going to look for every opportunity to make that happen. Now, whether it happens or not, a large part of it is outside of our hands. It could just be, it's the accident simply of, your MBA school not taking anybody from your particular country or with your particular skill set or whatever. You see, there are a lot of other aspects of it which are not in your hands. Now, if manifestation really did work as a science, there are people, there are institutes like the Nobel Prize Institute. There are many funding organizations that would put big money behind, because we'd all want things to manifest, right? There is actually great desire for philanthropic organizations or research-based organizations to actually put money behind research that could imagine that if we could all manifest millions of dollars for ourselves. Can you imagine the people that would want to monetize that? Anything that can be monetized and put into a bottle and sold for 10x of that, why wouldn't anybody want to do that? So like I said, the answer is largely a no, but you can certainly train your brain to focus on certain outcomes, and therefore you will look for the opportunity. So focus, don't expect that the outcome will happen. Have a visualization. Having a goal is very important compared to not having a goal. Even if it's an erroneous or a fallacious goal, having a goal will give you something to work towards. So from science and behaviorism, that is extremely important. Telling your brain what to give importance to is also extremely important. Jack Ma got his first round of investment from a lady who sat next to him on a flight, and he contacted her like 12 years after they had that flight or something, if I'm not mistaken. Now, if Jack hadn't had I am going to build Alibaba every day in his mind, he would never have thought of having that particular discussion with this lady. He would have started to flirt with her or something. I don't want to get him into trouble with his wife or anything, but you know what I'm saying? The fact that he had that conversation was because that was important for his brain to have. So to that extent, yes, can you manifest? You can certainly work towards your goals. You need to have an endpoint and you need to have focus here. In between everything, then just leave it to the universe. A very unscientific way